Now, first things first, who's this video for? This is for anybody who's interested in monetizing their YouTube channel and you deal with a niche that has products. It doesn't matter if it's tech products, health and nutrition, sports, whatever. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you probably heard me say the tagline a bunch of times, which is gear reviews, tips, tricks, and how-tos for creative professionals and entrepreneurs. And what I mean by that is that this channel is pretty much trying to be like a one-stop shop for creators where I can help you create better content and make more money from the content that you're creating. What I'm gonna do in this video is show you exactly how I went about getting brand deals, product review offers, etc. I'm also gonna share some tips and tricks to help you juice these brands for every last drop. And to all you brands out there, if you're watching, well, it is what it is. Supply and demand, baby. So the first thing is your videos can't suck. Now don't take offense to that because everybody had to suck at one point, right? And if you feel like your content still sucks, then don't worry because I got all types of videos on my channel that are gonna help you in videography, photography, storytelling, how to talk in front of the camera, as well as the business and money side of things. So how do you know if your videos suck or not? Well, I'll give you some metrics that are pretty simple indicators. A good video is gonna have 2 to 4% of the people who watch it subscribe. And depending on the length of the video, it should have anywhere from 40 to 60% average view percentage. For videos that are 5 to 8 minutes long, if you could keep it above 50%, that'll be great. If it's above 60, that's amazing. For videos that are 8 to 15 minutes long, anything above 40% is pretty good. And if the video is 15 to 30 minutes long, then generally speaking, anything above 30% is good. Now, if you're already meeting all those conditions and you're still not getting a lot of views, the next thing I would check is your click-through rate. And when you're a small channel starting out, a click-through rate of 8 to 13% is great. You also want to make sure that you're writing easy to understand and captivating titles. And if you're already hitting all those benchmarks and you're still not getting views, then just give it some time and continue making videos and eventually the algorithm's going to catch on. But on the other hand, if you're having a real difficult time meeting all those benchmarks, then just look through my channel because I got all types of videos that are going to help you to make better videos. Now, assuming you got all of that in place, let's go ahead and talk about how to get brand deals, product review offers, sponsorships, etc. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to buy your own products and start making review videos about them. The newer and the more popular the product, the better. So what you want to do is just save up a little bit of money, buy a product or two, make a review video about it, then quickly sell that product. Even if you sell it at like a $50 or $100 loss, that's all right because you're going to make that money back in affiliate sales. So you make the video, upload the video, put your affiliate links, quickly sell the product, and then buy another product so that you can review. Now, what's gonna happen is that if you made good videos, not only are you gonna be making money from affiliate marketing, but other brands are gonna see that video. You gotta understand, when you make a video about a product, let's say like the EOS R or something like that, best believe that not only Canon is seeing that video, but Canon's competitors, Sony, Fuji, etc., they're all keeping an eye on all this stuff as well. So if they see that you made a good video for Canon, then they might hit you up and ask you to make a video for them as well. Now, me personally, when I had about 1,000 subscribers, I didn't wait for them to start contacting me. I started sending out emails offering my services, letting them know that I was looking for products to review, that I was willing to accept the free product as a form of payment in exchange for a review video. Now, when you're small like that, you can't really ask for a lot, you know? If you send a company an email and they're asking for like a $500 product to review or something like that, and all you got is 1,000 subscribers, you're probably not gonna get a response. But if it's a $100 or $200 product, a lot of times they'll check your channel, and if they like the content, they'll send it right over. And once you got a few good videos under your belt, a lot of other brands are gonna start contacting you. Now, I'm not becoming a millionaire off of this by any means, but if you saw my video that I made about 4 months back titled How I Went Full-Time on YouTube with only 2,000 subscribers, then you already know that in that video, I went into detail about how much money my YouTube channel was making. And lately, there's been a new dynamic that honestly, I didn't expect to happen so soon, which is a flood of product review offers, sponsorships, etc. Once the channel hit 5,000 subscribers, companies started emailing me with product review offers. And when I add them all up, sometimes it's well over $2,000 per month in products. So if you take all my affiliate marketing income, my lead sales, plus the product reviews and sponsorships, etc., considering that I only have 8,600 subscribers, the fact that my channel made about $3,500 in 1 month isn't that bad. And thank God, my subscriber count is pretty much doubling every 3 or 4 months, and I'm seeing a similar increase in revenue. So if I can make that kind of money with a small channel channel like this, I could just imagine what some of these other YouTubers out here with 50,000, 100,000, 500,000 subscribers are making. Now, if you're still on the first step where you're trying to get your view duration up and get your views up and get your channel established, then I highly suggest that you watch this video right here, because in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 things that I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel, because if I did, I probably would have had double the subscribers that I have at the moment. Hit that like button if you gained anything from the video, and also subscribe if you already haven't done so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Fulan Creative, and I'm out. Peace.